Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2012, question number 26. Which of the following graph is isomorphic to? This is the graph, and in 4 graphs are given, and it is asking which one is isomorphic to this graph. So here in this graph it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. So in this graph there are 8 vertices and 8 edges. Now check the degree. Here degree is 1, degree is 1, degree is 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. So degree sequence is 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times, then 4. And this graph have a cycle of length 5. Now option A, here there is a cycle of length 3. So this is not isomorphic to the graph. Next option B, here we have a cycle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have a cycle of length 5 and it have 8 vertices, 8 edges. Now check the degree sequence. Here is 1, here is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and here is 4. Yes, this is same. Hence option B is isomorphic to this graph. Number of vertices, number of edges, cycle length, degree sequence all are same. Next we'll check option C. In option C we have a cycle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a cycle of length 5. Now we'll check the degree sequence. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, then 3, then 1. This degree sequence doesn't match with the graph degree sequence, as degree sequence doesn't match. So option C graph is not isomorphic to this graph. Next option D. So here we have a cycle of length 4. As cycle length doesn't match, so option D graph is not isomorphic to the graph. So we found only option B is isomorphic to this, whereas option A, option C and option D are not isomorphic. Answer will be option B. I already discussed how to check isomorphic. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.